Hey, what is happening, everybody? Rick here, coming at you with another unboxing, and I'm super excited about this one. But before I get into it, if you like knife content, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. In the description down below, everything in this video will be linked, including where this knife came from. So check them out. We'll get into that though. I'm super excited about this. What do we got in the box, huh? So I'm excited about this one because this I know some. So typically when I get a knife, I kind of cherry pick like the knives I get. Like I've seen the reviews on them. Like okay, and I use that information to determine that am I gonna like the knife or am I not gonna like the knife. Most of the time, I like the knife because I'm cherry picking my information. I have never watched a review on this knife, and that is exciting. So we're gonna unbox this and get my for real like first impressions. I've never held this knife. It's made by an yeah, I'll save that. I'll get into that. So I took all the information off this, see if I can get into, if there's a good way. I'm going to open this up with the Spyderco Endura 4 and that K390. Just a wicked blade, just wicked. This is like my work knife. I just got home. Trying to shake off the day. Because it was a hectic day. So let's get in here. Oh man, I forgot. That's not my channel. I got a channel opening knife right here. I forgot. Okay, well, knives all over the place. Anyways, failing at that. Here, let's get in here. All right. Guess I can still use this. This, of course, is the Blade HQ XOM gravity knife with Nitro V and aluminum. It's fun. 120 bucks. I suggest you pick one up. Awesome. All right, I don't want to give out any. Boom, nothing in the box. Don't need any of that. Let's throw that down. Thank you. All right. Come on, focus, focus, focus. What's going on here? Yeah. So we have Manganas, and I'm sorry, Sharif, if you watch this and I'm mispronouncing your name, I apologize. Either Manganas or Manganas. Steel knife. And which one do we got here? Get up in here. Caimano. 3.73 inch. Yeah, S35VN, satin, titanium, purple, haze handle. That sounds like it's right up my alley. Like me some purple. All right. Question is, can I get into this box? I don't know who Sharif uses for his OEM. It kind of due to that sticker and this packaging, it looks like Kaiser. I don't know. This is just an unboxing first impression. I will have a full review and more information down the road. Very nice presentation. I like this. You got a little card. What's in the card? A cloth, of course. Heck yeah. Like it. Got a nice little pouch. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put the pouch aside. What else we got in here? We got, and I don't know. Crocodile? Is that a crocodile or an alligator? I don't know. I'm going crocodile. Put that up there. That's the certificate. So yeah. Take a look there. S35VN, HRC 60 to 62. Yeah. And here we've got some extra hardware and a pocket clip. And so, yeah, I'll get into that in a bit. Okay, so it gives you, okay, there's some options in there. All right, let's put that aside. Let's get into this. I want it. Dog just found a squeaker. Yep. So that's probably going to be thing. Oh. Okay. Right off the bat, I like that weight. Camera doesn't always like fat carbon. Oh, that looks nice. Let's get in here. Focus. So no sharp angles. Everything feels nice. Looks nice. All right, I want to see the blade. Oh God, how long has it been autofocused? I don't want to see this here. All right. So we got dual action. We got the flipper back here. We also got the opening here. I'm gonna go. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Hold on. I'll do that again. Okay. Feel like close my eyes. One more time. Good feel. Okay, so that's nice. I like the feel of that. Let me try the flipper. That's satisfying. Yeah. The detent is a little stiff, but I feel like that's going to break in. But it's a nice, crisp break. Okay. Come back. All right. So we get the satin American Tonto hollow grind. With a nice poon on top. What did I say? Sorry, I'm kind of getting distracted. American Tonto S35VN hollow grind. Nice harpoon. We got some nice jimping up here. Oof. Very little billboarding. Love that. We just got Sharice's logo on one side and then the blade steel. Action. Get out of town. Get out of here. Okay, so bolster lock. Love that. Great access to the lock. Got some jimping down there. Feels great. There's no way I'm going to get my finger in there. have it bite my blade. It just falls right under my, and then just, can I get that better on the camera? Can we, little angle, just to control. I'm not gonna be able to do it at that angle, but it just falls shut. That just pops. That just pops. So, where do I even start? I don't even know where to start. I'm kind of taken back a little bit here. I like this. I like this. So oh, dog's up here. I was made aware of Sharif and his creations through, YouTube and just discovering through Factions channel, and finally got over to his website because I heard about the Caimano, and he's got some other things coming out soon too that just they called me, and I've had some discussions with other night guys about them, and yeah, people are excited about what Sharif is doing, and he seems like a cool dude. I don't know him, but I do believe that it's important to support other knife designers. And anyway, so I jump on his website, and boom, I see this thing. This Caimano with this American Tonto, the harpoon, and the purple haze. You had me. You had me. Okay, so in hand, ergonomics, feels great. We got some nice jimping behind on the spine of the blade right here. Nice, usable, not too aggressive. We also got some jimping on the flipper itself. Not too aggressive, works great. Like I said, not a sharp edge anywhere. Blade looks amazing. It's sharp. And sometimes I worry about sharp points within these holes. Nothing there. Is the other pocket clip, do you carry? Or is it just, I guess I don't see the difference. Oh, it's shorter. Shorter, is that what's going on? I'll check that out. Anyways, this is definitely Kaiser. This whole packaging screams Kaiser, but Kaiser makes great things. Titanium, fat carbon. I'm kind of at last words. I'm kind of really digging this right now. And I didn't know. I'm excited that I was worried about it not meeting my expectation in my mind, but I was just trying to do that a weird way. What do we got here? I'm totally distracted. Titanium backspacer, titanium fat carbon, S35, non-deep carry pocket clip. That's cool. Blade centering, spot on. This is what does he call it? Dual way pivot. So it comes with skiff bearings as well as thick washers. So you get some options. I like that. hardware. It looks like stubby here. T8 body, T pivot, and then it looks like T6 pocket clip, as well as the overstop travel pin on the bolster lock. Right, it's not T10, is it? T8. Yeah. All right. Like I said, this is not a full review. Full review come down the line once I have some time to carry it a bit more. But I'm very excited about this. This is a nice looking knife, and hats off to Sharif. I'm excited about this. I'm going to shoot him a message. Caimano. Focus. Focus. Stupid. Focus. What's going on here? There we go. It's a nice looking knife. Yeah. Hold on. This is a 16-minute video already? Dang, I feel like I was just staring off into space a lot of it. Okay, I'm excited. That's what I got. Thank you for sticking, this far. Some rambling. There's some awing. Is that the thing? Awestruck. There we go. We'll go like that. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me over on Instagram at Rick's Knives, where there's pictures of knives, right? But that's all I got for you today, and thank you for watching, and until next time, have a good day.